being followed by a classic. How cool is that? Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Back to back old school action. Speaking of which, right on, right on. Wow, this is really bad. Look at this. Ooh, it's not supposed to be that jammed. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Good old Detroit. I love how people look at me like I'm a nut. I don't give a shit. Life is nuts. You kidding me? Yeah. Makes that junk over there next to it make it looking more like a piece of big crap. Probably last only about 10 years or so. You know? Know what I mean? Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about.